What up, YouTube? It's KekeCole and I'm back at it with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey boo. For today's video, I'm gonna be talking about famous people's makeup. I have a few names that I'm gonna talk about, and I'm just gonna post the picture that I'm talking about right here or right here. But I got these names from Instagram. I did the question thing on Instagram where people can ask me questions, but I reversed it and I was like, oh, I want to do a video where I talk about people's makeup, my opinions, what I do their makeup, you know, what is off about this makeup, what could be better about that makeup, what could be worse, whatever. And people wrote back and gave me names. So I went on each person's Instagram and I chose a picture, which I am going to be talking about. While I do that, I'm going to be doing a mukbang. Today I'm going to be eating oxtails with rice and peas. I hope that they have it here, because they usually don't have it. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, you feel me? But I'm gonna go to like 5 different restaurants up here. There's a lot of restaurants where I live, so you know, it's not like I'm gonna take a cab to go to a restaurant. We're not doing that. I'm gonna just go around here. If they don't have it, then I'm gonna just get goat meat, which I also love, but I love oxtail meat more, so they better have it, period. Poo. Hi guys, I'm back. Sadly, I have very sad news. They didn't have oxtails, but they had goat meat though, which I also love. So I have goat meat with white rice, and listen to me, I fucking hate people. They literally got my fucking order wrong. They didn't have peas, so I was like, give me red beans instead. And what did they do? They give me aloe beans. I don't even know what that is. What the fuck is aloe beans? Aloe vera? Like what? Aloe who? Like, this is what they gave me, and I swear to God, this shit better taste good. Cause girl, this was $11. And I could have taken a whole cab to Rockaway Beach with that $11. And I also have 2 Pepsis because they didn't have like the 1 liter one. And you know, I don't want to buy Pepsi so that everybody drinks it. And then I come home later and then it's like, it's no Pepsi. And it's like, damn. Like, niggas be out here drinking that shit with alcohol and shit. Like, no, Pepsi's not supposed to go with alcohol, nigga. So I have my 2 personal cans. So if one finishes, I'll have another one. Oh, so let's get back to it. Let's start to eat, baby. Look at this meat, so good. And this weird ass beans, whatever this is, I don't even know. Aloe beans, I don't fucking know what the fuck this shit is, honestly. I'm gonna just put like the little water from the beans. That is the best part anyways. Okay, I put a little bit just in case I don't like it, you feel me? Yo, this tastes so Spanish. This is something that my grandma would have made when she was alive. R.I.P. to her. It's not actual. It's not bad. Thank the Lord I'm not a picky eater, because then I would have flipped this whole fucking table over. And you know what's the worst part? That I noticed when I was already home. This is why always check your order, guys. Always. They hear something through one ear and it comes out through the other. I'm going on Yelp. I'm giving these motherfuckers a bad review. Shitting me? Nah, but it's not bad though. Like, I fuck with it. It's just mad Spanish there. I feel the Spanish in the fucking food. OD. It's good though. I'm not even gonna lie. I love Spanish food. My Pepsi's just ready for me to drink it. Guys, I haven't drank or ate nothing all day, so you know. If you know, you know. That hit. This meat is too good, yo. Okay. Fuck. It fell, yo, guys. Why am I so clumsy? Oh, knife is in this bitch. A piece of fucking meat just fell on my jeans, and now I have to change into different jeans. Well, which I don't even mind, because I really don't like how my ass looks in these jeans. For some reason, American Eagle jeans make my ass look dumb flat. And people, I be seeing on Twitter people talking about American Eagle jeans make your ass look fat. If your ass don't look fat in American Eagle jeans, do something about your life. Fashion Nova jeans make my ass look plump. Plump, plump, plump. Without jeans, my ass is plump. With American Eagle jeans, my ass is bored. So what is y'all talking about? Y'all lying. Y'all lying. Y'all lying. But now let's talk about these celebrities or whatnot. I'm not even gonna lie. I feel like if you're a celebrity, your makeup should always be A1. Like, I've been seeing some celebrities and the makeup look off, and it's like, girl, fire your makeup artist and go to MAC, because for $60 they'll do a better job. Word two. Like, it be blowing mine. It really be blowing mine, because like, as a person that loves makeup, as a person that, you know, does makeup and stuff like that, it blows me when somebody that has money, that can get the best makeup artist in the world, that can buy the best makeup artist in the world to even run themselves, has bad makeup. Because it's like, girl, don't even post that. Honestly, if I have bad makeup, I'm not gonna post a picture, period. Y'all really be bugging. I'm not gonna lie, I fuck with this aloe shit. The fuck? This is a good ass meal, I'm not even gonna lie. If you mad Dominican, you love Spanish food, this right here is gonna hit with a Pepsi. The first person I got here is Nikita Dragon. I'm gonna throw a picture up. Let me just say this, I love Nikita Dragon. Like, her makeup don't even be like mad creative. It don't even be that colorful and stuff like that. Like, it just be like simple stuff, and she just looks, it's so blended out perfectly. It looks perfect. Like, even like, I know she facetunes or whatever on Instagram, but girl, videos don't lie. This is the real deal right here. This is the real deal. This is how a bitch really look. So if I see her YouTube videos and her makeup look perfect, even on YouTube, her makeup look perfect, like, period. This is one of her makeup campaign pictures. Girl, everything about this picture is popping. From the eyes, to the makeup, to the hair, to the egg, like the back, like everything is perfect. Her makeup is beautiful. I love her makeup. I love her, like. Next. So the next person I have is Ariana Grande. This makeup is really simple. I feel like she always has a simple look though, and it goes with her, to be honest. Like, she's mad cute. I would do this look. Would I do it to the Met Gala? Hell no. Did she go to the Met Gala? I don't even know. But if she was to the Met Gala like that, she gotta cut. She needs to, you know, upgrade a little bit in her makeup, because her makeup is a little too simple for a Met Gala vibe. But this look is beautiful. The makeup is snatched, eyeliner snatched, contour snatched, face snatched, picture cute, face beaut. She cute as fuck. So it's a pass. I'll do that look. She got it. Oh my god. This is amazing. Amazing. So the next person I have is Beyonce. Yes, that's my girl right there. I love Beyonce. But we talking about her makeup though. I don't think y'all ready for this. I don't think y'all ready. Bam! I just want to say, what in the actual fuck? I feel like her brows off. Like, does she even have makeup on her brows? I don't know. I think she was going for a natural look. I mean, obviously she was going for a natural look. But The eyes. It's the eyes. It looks like the eyeshadow was like not pigmented enough, so it didn't cover like as much as it was supposed to. I don't know. I really hate this look. I hate it. I hate this look. And honestly, I feel like all her looks are kind of trash. And I'm not just trying to talk shit. Like, I'm gonna show you in a second. Watch this. What the fuck is that? I really want to know what type of look this was supposed to be. Like, I really want to know. What type of look was this supposed to be? Like, well, this is not something I would even go as a simple look. Like, that's just, I don't like that look at all. Like, I just don't like it either. So the next person that we have here is the one and only, the contour queen. Yes, bitch. Listen, Kim Kardashian's looks is so fucking basic. Like, y'all don't understand how basic it is. It's mad basic. But it's popping. Like I said before, the look could be basic, but as long as it's blended out correctly, it's gonna look popping. As long as you pick the right type of brown, because her looks is always a bronzy look. It's always a bronzy smoky eye, a bronzy black eye, whatever, but it's always popping. That's her style and it goes with her. It doesn't look like her makeup came from the 99-cent store like Beyonce's makeup look. Beyonce's makeup looks like I bought it in the beauty supply. I buy my makeup in the beauty supply sometimes, but does it look like I do? Hell no. Come on now. Hello. Come on now. Like, you could tell her makeup is from the beauty supply. Even though it's not. Like, it's obviously not, but like, come on now. That's what it looks like, girl. But Kim Kardashian, bitch, all her looks is popping. Let's just bring it up. Ew! Wow! Met Gala vibes. That's what I'm talking about, bitch. She killed it. She was the best dressed in the Met Gala. She went and killed the Amigaliana. These peanut head bitches always Chiliana. Oh! I love this look. I want to wear it. Like, I want to wear this look. I'm always gonna state facts on this channel. It's always gonna be straight facts. What do you think about this lighting though? I like this lighting better. This is like a yellow gold lighting instead of the bright white lighting that I had like in my other videos. I wanted to change it because I feel like the other bright light, it makes me look way lighter than what I actually am. And I like being this color that I actually am. I don't like I don't want to be lighter. You feel me? I hate that sometimes my foundation looks off on camera when in reality my foundation is darker than my skin tone. So, but it looks pale because of the bright light. And even in pictures, I look pale. So I'm gonna start using this light for my pictures and for my videos. Oh, I almost forgot to put y'all on. I have new lashes on. But I feel so powerful and so popping with these lashes. Like, who coming for me? But let me show you the lashes that I got. So I got these two lash boxes. They came in the mail like yesterday. And girl, when I saw these online, I fell in love. They're so long and full. It's like you really feel like a different person with them. Like, just look at them. Just looking at them, you could tell these shits is popping. I got the top ones on right now. I love these lashes. Like, I don't think I'm gonna ever go back to the USBs. Y'all wanna know what's the funny shit? These lashes right here, both boxes, cost $3 each. $3 each. And I'm actually dragging it because it actually costs $2 something, but I rounded it to $3. They're really long, they're mad pretty. And only for $3. A whole pack of lashes in Rite Aid, so the beauty supply, is about $12 plus tax. I'm gonna put the link for the website that I use for this in the description box. I got it because I saw it on Facebook. I was like, oh, this is where girls are getting those big mink lashes from. I was like, yo, them shit is popping. I needs. Because my lashes don't be looking that popping. You feel me? So I went on the website. That shit said $3. I was like, I got myself 2 packs only. Just for a simple pack. Like that. I got it online. You don't know what you're going to get when you buy shit online. But now that I know what I got, I am balling out in that store. Whatever store it is. I don't remember the name. But I'm going to definitely put it in the description box because I need all of y'all to start wearing these lashes. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video. I don't want this video to be mad fucking long. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and share. And subscribe to my channel for beauty videos, mukbangs, and what else? You tell me.